As of next year, South Korea requires advertisements made with artificial intelligence to be labeled accordingly. The move comes in an effort to curb the number of deceptive promotions featuring fabricated experts or deep-faked celebrities endorsing products on social media. South Korean officials have also said they will ramp up monitoring, remove problematic AI-generated ads, and introduce punitive fines. AI-generated ads have become staples across media platforms in South Korea, but officials say the tool is a growing risk to consumers, particularly older generations who struggle to tell the difference between AI and reality. Despite the decision, the government remains ambitious to strengthen the country's capabilities in advanced computer chips that power the global AI race. Prime Minister Kim Min-syuk emphasized it is important to, quote, minimize the side effects of new technologies as the country embraces the AI era.